Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve these two equations with elimination method. So our first equation is 3x minus 4y is equals to 10, and our second equation is 2y minus x is equals to 2. So as we can see that in the first equation, the value of x is written first and then y. So we can write the second equation like this also. So this is minus x plus 2y is equals to 2. So I'm going to take this as equation number 2. So what we have to do in elimination method, we have to make either the coefficient of x same or the coefficient of y same. So we are going to solve the second equation and make the coefficient of y as same. So if we have to make the coefficient of y same as in equation number 1, here we can see that there is 4 and here is 2. So I can multiply with 2 in whole equation. Now this equation becomes minus 2x plus 4y is equals to 4. Now I am going to add the equation number 1 and 3. The first is 3x minus 4y, the left hand side, and here minus 2x plus 4y and 10 plus 4. So I am eliminate this minus 4y with plus 4y. So 3x minus 2x is x and 10 plus 4 is 14. So the value of x is 14. Now we can put in any equation the value of ix either in 1, 2 or 3. So I'm putting equation number 1. Put x is equals to 14 in equation first. So 3 times x, that is 3 multiplied 14 minus 4y is equals to 10. 3 times 14 is 42 minus 4y is equals to 10. So 42 minus 10 is equals to 4y. 42 minus 10 is 32 is equals to 4y. So 32 over 4 is equals to y. So the value of y is 8. So now we have both the values, x as 14 and y as 8 for these equations. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.